Hari Om Tat Sat. Well. You're excited, isn't it? Today we have this beautiful Shiva oracle card as well with us to catch the energies of June 2026. As you already know, June month is not a normal month, really. The cards are showing major turning points around money, relationships, and unexpected decisions that many of you are not prepared for yet. And there's one specific warning appearing repeatedly when I was shuffling these cards that could either protect your peace or completely drain your energy if ignored. So don't try to ignore this. I would suggest, let's see now. Overall June energy, let's see. This is pick a pile. 1, 2, 3. Pick a card. So whichever card you feel resonated with, you can pick based on your intuition, or you can pick it based on your zodiac signs, which will be displayed on the screen. Okay, let's quickly get to the first card. Breathe in, breathe out, check the energies. Let's see what is the overall June energy. Wow, nice. Around money, career, love. Let's see one by one, we'll see. First, I'm going to tell you the overall energy of June. What I'm getting as vibes. How your June is going to be. Wow, the future is bright. So obviously you're preparing for some competitive exams. So the Knight of Pentacles is here. I'll tell you all about why you have picked this. What is that major blessing coming in the month of June? Why you got attracted to this? Yes. So now, otherwise, future is bright. Shiva, Lord Shiva says your future is bright. June month, there is something that is happening in your life which you are not prepared to. That's the energy of June. Right now, let's also see introspection is happening. You are also going to have a small heartbreak with respect to business, investment, or something related to your heart, which is like a love related thing. But overall energy is no matter what happens, even if negative has happened in your life right now, also if you're going through any negativity, it is going to help you introspect. There is a huge lesson you will learn from it. You will be able to overcome the hurt. That's how it is. Yes, you will be able to overcome the hurt. That's what I'm hearing. What else? Beware cheating. I told you there is something unexpected that is coming. And if you ignore it, it's going to cost you dearly, which is going to drain your energy. Let's find out in what area is this cheating, or like 2 times we've got. From Shiva also we've got, and 3 of Swords also we've got. This is getting very interesting. Let's see what's happening with your other thing. There is another interesting thing with your love life which has come. I'm just keeping it here. Overall energies look like you will receive abundance, but there is something that you need to be careful about in the month of June, especially June month, in the middle, like after 9 days, or middle, after 15 days, 9 to 15 days later in the month of June, you will have to be careful about something. That's what I'm seeing. But which area, which field, we'll find out. How is your money going to be? I want to just find out how is your money going to be. Shivatandava here with a lot of burning energies, the fire, the light. Wow. See here, money-wise, you need to have some patience. As you know, the Hermit card as well as the Temperance card in reverse indicates you're running out of patience with respect to money. Now, I want you to get rid of that impatience energy when you are thinking about money. I want you to think about this, okay? I'm now going to give you affirmations for the June month for money, career, love, health, unexpected events if they are happening, what enters your life, advice from the universe, and what is the end of month outcome for you. That's what I'm going to go in sequence for you, okay? So I attract money easily and effortlessly. I'm worthy of wealth and financial success. I attract wealth happily in my life. I have abundant money always. Money is my friend. These are the affirmations. If these are all too much for you, wealth is increasing, huge progress. Something like this you have to write in front of you and keep reading about it. Yes? So that's what I want your energy to be. Let's see more. What is happening with respect to money? Patience. That's all. And if you are running out of patience, develop patience. That's it. Now I want to come to career. What was this cheating all about? Career, you're going to have so much burden. It's almost going to feel like you're taking a lot of burden just to push it through. Like this is your passion project. You were in it. Now you have a lot of loans or debts and you want to, overall energy with respect to your career is like money you're getting. Money is amazing. I told you, right, I'm going to tell you something about money, why you picked the Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles indicates that overall June energy, the money related thing is quite high for you. Somehow, no matter how much stress you are in, the passion project that you have started, what you are working towards, that will still fetch you a lot of good money only at the end of the month. You don't have to be worried. But if this is your leg stretch only so much, like now, June is not the month for you to be very ambitious about investments. I would suggest there is a warning. Be careful with partnerships or going huge on just all guns. Just don't do that with money and career as well. Suddenly quitting the job and changing, don't do it. 5th month, something happened with you. Like the 2026 5th month, something happened with you, right? So now we are slowly heading to the 6th month. I want you to hang in there. Like, don't take impulsive decisions based on sudden situations in your workplace are like toxic, you have politics. That'll be there no matter how many transfers you have, how many people you will change. That issue in your workplace is going to be there. But just if you push through for the next 10 months from today, or 10 weeks at least, or 10 days even, there'll be a huge clarity coming into your life. Just claim this energy and say, I have clarity in my career and money energy. I have clarity in June energy. I'm claiming the clarity in the energy. So claim the energies either by commenting or interacting with this video. I'll be curious to know what you're facing in the month of June. Come back and tell us whether it was all true for you, accuracy, did you connect with the energies? Because it's more like I'm your medium, right? The tarot card readings can be so accurate only if you connect to the right energies here. So if you've clicked on this video, this is a divine message for you on all of the warnings that are coming up. Now, love related, if you are curious, here it is. Your soulmate is coming. So obviously you're having a huge good love life here, and I'm also seeing a bright future here for you with respect to love life. Wow, that's amazing. What else in love life? You have been hurt before, but you will not attract the same kind of love. And if you've been pushing through everywhere, in personal life also, you are the one who's pushing. In professional life also, you are the one struggling. Look at it, only one person struggling. There's a woman, there's a kid, and one person is struggling. Here also, there's one man pushing it through, holding all the wands together. So if that is you, now is the time of change. Knight of Wands is coming. So you will be victorious. You will be successful in love as well as career and money. After 15 days of June, or 15 days from this reading, whenever you are seeing it, you will have a very unexpected event in your life with respect to love as well. What else? Health. How is health going to be? Okay. Health is something you need to be careful. And if possible, anyone suffering from health issues here, comment what is the specific health issue here. Because I see more like nostril related, nose related, something with respect to ENT, throat, nose, ears. These are the major issues that you have. So if you want to get rid of this energy, I suggest you have to start donating some money to hospitals. Like, we don't know where to donate the money. We might have ample money, we might raise funds, etc. We don't know where exactly to give. But your gut usually guides you right. So give it in a place where there are recovered patients, where they're just trying to recover. They are done with surgery, but they don't have the time to or money to go and bring the tablets. Go help them. Get someone tablets. Be helpful in that angle. I think your health also will resolve. Also, I see you are doing great job in helping people. You have that thing in you that I want to help people. There is some restless energy that I want to help. I have to go. I have to give. See here, this person is giving. So like I said, right? Six here we are seeing 6. So within 6 months, the effort that you put towards your passion project, you're going to get huge growth in wealth. My God, you have to claim these energies. I suggest you have to somehow hold on to these energies, because money, I told you, money wise, if you've got attracted to this, I'll keep getting wealth cards. Pentacles are wealth. Pentacle is money, and you're going to get it. Health wise also, if you give money, you will get health. Something like that I'm seeing with respect to your health. Next, how's your, what's the unexpected event? Please tell me, cards. Oh, okay. So you might feel, see, if you feel, oh, I am so successful, I have so much money, and you get the ego to your head. And then you're like, suddenly take some bad decision of partnering with someone or giving someone money. Like I warned you about money. So there was some betrayal right here. Betrayal, beware cheating. Oh my God. So it's all about money for you. The cheating will happen with respect to money. So be very careful. Don't put in your money with someone just like that without trusting them fully. That is the unexpected event which is coming. And this is a warning. Now only you know what is the unexpected event coming. So be careful. Don't invest. Anyone suspicious, don't click those links, because chances of you getting scammed very high that you will get scammed. So be careful. Any link that comes, anything, verify. That's the what I'm seeing. Scams, links. So all these I'm seeing. Now let's see what is entering your life, what Shiva wants to tell you. What enters your life in the month of June? What blessings you're getting? Trust is needed. People will come and go, they will hurt you, but trust is definitely needed in your life. With respect to Shiva, you have to have trust in the universe. With respect to people, you need to have trust on them. Let's say advice from the universe. What is the advice? What is that one advice? Wait for the right time is your advice. It can't be more true than this. Tarot reading could not have got more better today. Wait for the right time, it says. End of the month. What is your outcome of June? Final message for you of June. Shiva, please give us the final end of month outcome for these people, because at every chapter that is ending for them, oh my God, you are going to get end of month out. You are going to get end of month outcome, abundance and prosperity. That's it. So at every chapter that ends for you, you will see what happens in love, because the energy here honestly is unbelievable. It was so good. Oh my God. So next I'm going to move to the next pile. Wow. Okay. If you pick this one, okay, this has more than money. The pentacles are obviously money, but this has more messages for you. Let's see what is in store. We'll go in sequence for you as well. Ooh, I'm so eager to know what's going to happen in your pile, because this is getting very interesting for me. I also want to pull in some Shiva energy. Shivji, please help us. Wow, okay. I'm not going to pick this one. Okay, we'll see what is Shiva and his energy, what he has to tell you. Shiva. Overall energies of June for you, whoever have picked this one. 9 of Pentacles. The overall energy looks like very promising. The betrayals, look at this. 2 times betrayals are like in reverse. That means you are now only going to attract trust-related people around you. No more the pattern is repeating. You have done some cord-cutting sessions probably. You're working on yourself amazingly. And this is your era. Like this June month, you will get so many things that you've been waiting from like 8-10 years now. That's the overall energy. It is very intense, which is very positive right now. That's what I'm picking up right now with respect to money as well. It's going to make you feel comfortable. I wouldn't say next level success. You're going to go and do like organizations or huge companies, but you're going to be very comfortable and satisfied with the luxury that you want. Let's say for someone 10,000 is luxury. For someone 1 crore also is not a luxury because they're in debt, right? So we don't know. We are not labeling your energies of money based on how much you earn, based on how is your emotion with the money that you have. Sometimes even limited amount or resource is enough, and you are a kind of person who's like that. And government exams, or if you've been trying for a government career, government related, some promotion, transfer, something, I'm seeing yes, it's going to happen. Your job, if you're trying for a job, etc., that's also coming towards you. Career growth is huge, and the betrayals that are happening in your career, layoff, kuch hua, like some things happened, it's all ending. You don't have to worry that someone's going to backstab me. This month there is no backstabber. But there is some warning coming up, which I'm going to tell you as well. However, what is happening with money we saw? If you invest, you will get very good return. That's what I'm seeing for now. Career-wise though, you are planning to shift some place or city or transfer. Majorly, I'm seeing that's the energy. So let's find out if, yes, will you have that transfer? Give us something. Yes, you will have a transfer, but you will not be happy with the transfer. So see, if you really want it today, it's like you're learning something. Whatever I want, when I get it, actually do this experiment, okay? Today, you just sit, close your eyes, meditate and think. You imagine the transfer, whatever wish you were thinking about for June to happen. Once you get it, what is the emotion that you're feeling? Are you feeling anxious? Are you feeling happy? Are you feeling calm, peace? What is the emotion? You can comment below on the emotion this is bringing. In fact, pause the video right now, do the meditation, and right there you get back to the video and tell me what is the emotion this particular wish of yours is giving you. If it's giving you calm, beautiful energies, great. If it gave you anxiety, that means it is not something that you should go for. right? So that's what I'm seeing with money and career, the transfer that you want and the investments that you're making. If you're happy, you're calm and relaxed, go for it. Love related, I wanted to check, but before that, Shiva has some message for you. What is the message? Need calmness and patience. What is it that you need right now? Which is like, you don't have it right now, and Shiva wants you to have it. Like I said, your prayers have been accepted. I told you, right? The June overall energy is so good that from 8 years, 10 years, if you've been waiting, praying for something, that is going to happen now. June month, all your prayers have been accepted and answered. You will see the positive changes in life. And tarot is so real. You really have to connect with the energies. That's it. If you have one doubt that does it all really work, then that's it. So also I'm saying something related to children, pregnancy, or something towards being special, kind and honest with yourself, and you're trying to confess someone, love related, or marriage is happening, proposal has come, you have agreed, or relationship wise it's going all great for me. For you, for me, really, I feel everything is going good. Okay, amazing. What else I'm seeing with respect to love and career? Yes, career wise, if you had any senior who was troubling you, they'll get transferred, or some solution you're getting. And with respect to love, I feel your emotional cup is full. You have everything, but there is some boredom kind of energy with respect to love. You guys are not doing the same old things. Maybe you need some change, I feel, in love life, like that sudden excitement, thrill, or something to look forward in life. Sometimes people become complacent with the things that they have. They'll not express gratitude. They'll not say, I'm grateful to have you. Arey, kal hi to bola tha, 10 minute pehle to bola tha. So that ignorance or trying to take things for granted, that don't do. Keep the love alive. You be the one. Don't always expect the other person didn't say. You tell, it's okay. Right? So that stagnancy kind of thing I'm seeing in love, unfortunately for you here. Mantra chanting is needed. So if you feel stagnancy in love, career or money, overall June energy looks good. But if you want to invoke the nice energies to have good things in life, then I think you can just simply chant Om 5 to 10 minutes, visualizing that money, career, love, and so far all of this reading is true for you. Visualize. Let's see if health related, please Shivaji, can you give us some? Shiva, do charity for your ancestors. For health, you will have health related issues, physical issues, mental health issues. Everything is there in the month of June, not just June. Every time you have that, I see some kind of Nagadosha energy in only this pile. Specifically for you, ancestors are coming here and telling you, like, I'm a psychic, so through the cards also I can see. So I'm seeing like some Naga related dosha nivarana you have to do in the month of June only. So if possible, do a travel. I also see multiple layered traveling thing is happening with you. So you will travel a lot. In the month of June, you're traveling so much. And somehow you're also liking it. But health related issues will be there. So do charity for your ancestors. How to do charity for your ancestors? You can give to some old age home. Something like clothing, blanket, some comfort item you give. That we should take care of your health related issues here. Next, is there any unexpected event or something that you need to hear here that you might not know? Please give us. Manifest your goals. Don't worry about other people here. You will be able to manifest your goals. Have the confidence in you. Sit like this, like Shiva, how he's sitting here with full focus. You are losing focus with your exam studies. I'm also seeing a lot of books around you. You have like 10 books around you, all like spread out. Don't do that. Have the discipline. Each day, one step at a time. Are you a writer or reader? Comment below. I'm seeing a lot of books. Is that your energy? Oh, what's that? What's happening? Ooh, you are the strength to many people and you will be the person who will help a lot of people. Through you, something has to happen in the society. And you will get into even politics. If you are acing the government exam, I think you'll also get into politics, or you have an idea in the future to get into politics. Now you might feel very funny. I'm not even thinking about it, but that's who you are and you will see it. Shanidev is blessing you. Especially June month, some changes are happening. Good karma is coming to you. That much I can say. Let's say what is entering your life in the month of June here. Oh, wow, okay. Okay. The things are going forward. Like I said, I told you, right? Even if it is struggle, you will be able to accelerate the process very soon, and it will be you alone. Like, you don't need teamwork. You don't need help of other people. You are the sole bread earner for the family or breadwinner or something like that. Like you are the propeller of something and you will do it. Like you're very successful. See, 7 and 8, it's a consecutive sequence number. So that enters your life, that motion. Like if you're stuck in the month of May or previously several years, this is the month that things will move forward. I can see some positive news will come in any area of your life. If you've been expecting some progress, like court case ending, you getting money from somewhere, job promotion, or getting a job itself, it's propelling. Okay, wow, that's nice. Any advice from the universe, please? Give us one advice they have to get today. Queen of Cups. See, really work on your emotions here. There's no need to be very, crumbled always for the negative things that come. 5-10 minutes you feel the negative emotions, then come back stronger, because that's the energy. You're the queen. Like we need queen energy, nothing less, because you're more. You're really, really more. So I also want one advice from Shiva for you, because I think you wanted that. You asked for that, didn't you? Wow, nice. Stop working everything. This is amazing. Transformation is happening. This is like something strange is happening to you with respect to spirituality also. You're entering a zone where you can't just comprehend what is happening to you. Lot of lucky, blessing kind of things are coming. Wow, this is like too much for me. I'm not able to take the happiness that these cards are bringing in. Few cards drain you, right? So here the warning for you must be like you should not overwork. And if you don't listen to this and end up overworking, I think all these blessings you will lose. I think you need to get the balance in your life. Be stress-free. Try to focus on yourself. Self-love is extremely important. See, if you don't do that, if you will struggle with your team and take everything in the wrong way, there is some misunderstandings which will happen in your family. That much I can see. Either colleagues or family, some small issues are going to come and go. But at the end of the month, what is the outcome? That final card that you've been waiting for. What is the end month outcome? Don't fear, be confident. That's it. No matter what happens in life, have the confidence that you will excel. You will be able to come out of this, and all the very best for June. Let's move to the next one. This was like my favorite, I think. Is there more to come? 6 of Wands. Whoever selected the 6 of Wands, what is happening with your overall June energy? Let's see. No, okay. That's it. What is the overall June energy card? Please tell us. Hey, okay. Sorry. That was slipping off my hand. So this is more like, see, the first one we saw all about money, second one we saw family and success. And if you want to go back to those readings because this pile didn't resonate, or vice versa, whatever it is, it's all true in tarot. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't. I'm curious to know your comments, so keep interacting with our video. It'll really help us to get a direction, at least, that okay, we are heading in the right direction. Audience want exactly this. If you want some new topics, what we should do, what you like, what you don't like, how the delivery is, everything is welcome. Every feedback is welcome. Please be sweet. Okay, don't worry, I'm protecting you. I think you needed to hear this. Like, you are feeling very lonely, alone, depressed, sad. You wanted like an reassurance, like from this reading, you really wanted to like, I've given up on everything, please give me something positive. That's what you were praying. And you felt like this is like a successful or positive card, and you were like, please give me some successful thing. I just want to listen to positive things. I don't want to hear anything. But trust me, that's not the kind of mentality we need to have. But yes, positive will come, great, but negative comes, I'll have the confidence to overcome. So that's the success of you here. Your soul will feel so successful once the overall June energy is like this. It's like closed doors will be opened. All this while you were waiting for the closed doors to open now. It will, because your plans are being ruined for betterment. If till now you didn't see any results, this is like coming as a confirmation from the universe that all these plans were only happening for your betterment. So June energy is all about disappointment will be there, but it is only for you to understand certain soul lessons, life purpose, what you have to do with that energy, right? So it's a very huge energy I'm getting here, multiple energy. The moment you understand this, you will know from here you will come here. This is like two opposite things. One is very worried about money, one is like I'm not worried. Two opposite energies are there just within you. Look at it. Page of Wands also has come. So Wands. I told you it's very passionate month for you with respect to anything that you do. Whether you fail or succeed, you will be very passionate. That's all you will learn, that I need to give my 100%. I'll not bother about the outcome. That's all you had to learn. Let's see money wise what's happening here. Here money wise, I can already see that you are able to make something, not just with your work, but side hustle also will slowly start giving you money. It'll start fetching you something. Wow, that's like money wise, some balance. You'll still be sad with respect to how you've been handling your money. Maybe somebody cheated or somewhere you have to get money. So you're sad with the money part always. You want to make your own money, but you're not able to make your own money. Probably you want to go and do something of your own. You're not able to do it. So all that is happening. So in the pipeline, you need to just relax and think, okay, what is it that I need to do to get this money? What is my plan? So have it in front of you as a vision board. Like for you, it is the remedy has come as, see, sometimes people tell me, I didn't get any remedy only properly. You just gave me basic affirmations. See, for maybe 15 people, I would have told some clove or cinnamon remedy. But for some people, ground level starting of affirmations is required. And I would have given just that for you. So you need to really, really focus and write down affirmations for your money related issues now. Okay. So my favorite one is, I'm so happy and grateful now that money flows to me continuously on an increasing levels or basis. So this is like a Bob Proctor affirmation that I keep telling you guys. Write it every single day with a glass of water. See, I also want to show you here something. Can you see it? Yeah, so helpful with good psychic ability, supportive, kind, healthy, happy, abundant, like that. You have to write these affirmations on water and keep drinking that water. This is going to help you, really, really help you with money. If you just, because I saw moon, and for moon energy, water only you have to utilize as remedy. Water, you have to stop spillage of water. You have to not harm water. If someone else is harming the energy of water or throwing water away, you have to stand up for water. Protect the moon energies basically for money related issues that you have. Also, I see love also. You're very stuck in your situation. June month also, you'll keep thinking about this person. There is a distance or separation with respect to your loved one. So I see, will a reunion or something happen? No, the reunion also is not possible because this person is with someone else, or divorce, separation, court case, land related issue, like this only. Negative energy with respect to love and career and money, all three areas. So how to improve all the three areas is to drink more water where your written positive affirmations are very visible to you. You can also make a vision board in front of you where you can keep seeing the affirmations, good affirmations, and feel the energy. See, if you just tell 50 times that I have money without actually feeling the emotion of having the money, I don't think affirmations will really work for anyone for that matter, because it's the emotion that carries more weight, and you need to work on your emotions because moon is very weak. Venus activated in a while, like 6 months later from today, Venus will get activated. So for that Venus to get activated in this month, June month only, you have to do something magical with respect to your passion project also, your career also. There will be slow growth, but there will be growth. That's what I'm hearing. That's nice. That's not bad at all. Next, health wise, let's see any message for you. And romantic partner wise also, I want to pick another card. Recall grace of your family, God. Something with respect to your health needs recalling of your family, God. So if you've not gone and visited your family God, I think you have to see success. Guru dosha could be prominent in your family. So for that, you need to take blessings of the Guru. You will see huge improvement in your love, career, money and health, because Page of Swords. And just if you recall grace of your family God, I'm seeing June month is going to be very beneficial. 28th June, something very significant and positive is happening. That's the unexpected event. You need to write down that date and start manifesting. Something unexpected, a good thing is happening for me on 28th June. That's what you will write. Next, what enters in your life in the month of June? What all are coming? Let's see. Anything that you are asking? Yes, Queen of Swords here. Okay. Some manipulative energies could enter. So be a little careful. Otherwise, you will be fully drained. And something traditional. You're going to bring in something traditional in the society. Some changes from your end. Family life is going to be smoother. You're trying to implement some good changes in your life, which is very good. That's the unexpected event. The moment you did that, I think all issues reverse and become better things for you. Suddenly an unexpected change is happening. Someone who's like, I'm not giving you divorce, I'm not giving you separation, or someone not leaving you, that toxic person, suddenly that person will leave you and go off. Accept the reality, because whatever happens in your life, you have to accept the reality here. Seek apology whom you hurt. You also have hurt several people, so you have to ask apologies, face the challenges, clear no, because the toxic relationships you are in, it's a clear no. You need not be in this toxic relationship. So that is what is happening. Let me see more on advice from the universe for you and end of month outcome here with the energies. What is it? Wow, see, if you give justice, see, someone's walking away, told you separation, someone's walking away, the energies that you don't need, they will go away. So it's like a blessing, okay? It's a boon that this person or this job or something goes away. It's a boon. It's happening for a reason here. Justice, you will get justice. If at home you are being mistreated or you're not being heard, seen or something, with communication or with your own efforts, that you put your boundaries, you stand up for yourself and you're like, listen, I'm done. So that is what you're going to provide yourself some justice. That's the universe advice as well for you, that stand up for yourself. That's what I see. Like the major outcome here is standing up for yourself. And whatever negative has happened in your past, I don't want you to keep thinking about your past here. You keep going back to past. ऐसा हुआ था, ये हुआ था, ಹಿಂಗಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಹಂಗಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅದೇ. Come on, leave it. Okay? Hold on, just hold on. With your energies, everything will be good. Release anxiety, stay cool. That's the end of month outcome for you. If you release your anxiety just like this chill wala Shiva, so cute, muddu Shiva, like that, you will be very happy in the month of June if you just claim all the positive energies. I'm really happy with the reading today. I hope you are too. Comment below, encourage us more and give us your love. Namaste.